What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and we have a super exciting video today. So Google asked for my address, I provided it to them. I have a pretty good idea of what's in this box, but not everything. I have watched at least one other video of someone opening their box, so I I don't know if I ruined it a little bit or if it's still going to be the same feeling or what, but I just couldn't help it. So help has arrived. This is from Google. Very Google themed box here. Let's open this up. It's a couple pounds, maybe. Like maybe 2.5 or so, 3. I don't know. It's hard to judge. There we go. It says made by Google. Oh, this is nerve-wracking because I have the Pixel 4a, and this is my Pixel 4 XL. I do not use my Pixel 4 XL because of the face unlock, and jobs require, and going to the grocery store require a face mask. So the fingerprint sensor is the thing to me that's keeping me using the 4A for now. And while comments are disabled in this video because of YouTube, I did post that a new video is coming, a little hint. So this is my Instagram. Please follow me on Twitter or Instagram. That way you can talk to me because YouTube has disabled my comments for a long time, and I don't know when they'll ever be enabled. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Oh God, I have butterflies in my stomach right now because I don't know what else is gonna be in here. The Google Hyperspeed Helper. That's for me. Let's see what's in here. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, okay, that didn't change anything. That was still super exciting to see that. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. I tweeted made by Google. I was like, hey, it'd be nice to have some of those. Here we are, and they sent them with the phone. Oh, you have no idea how exciting this is to give these a try and see if I like these or not. I don't know. There's the 5 right here, Pixel 5, beautiful. And then we have the Pixel 5 case, which we will be using for now. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's just a little too much for me to take in. I'm just a small channel and Google, I mean no other company's has done this for me except LG a long time ago. Oh my. This is just too much to take in at once. All right, let's do this. I've been wanting these for a hot minute now, but thanks to bills and jobs and layoffs and all that other stuff, it's been a little bit difficult to buy things I want. There we go. Oh, I just realized the color too. Interesting. That's like a light green, like more like a dark. I don't know. It's hard to describe the color of that. And then here we've got the SIM card ejector tool, which, yes, we will need that because we will be switching our primary device to the 5. And then we have a charger, a Type-C to USB, so you can hook up a game controller, hook up a flash drive or SD card or whatever you want in this USB, if your phone can power it. And then we've got a very nice 18-watt fast charger. So this will get your phone to stay rapidly charging. That way, you're spending less time at the wall waiting on your phone to charge. I mean, overnight, you can argue that it's better to have a slower charge, like a normal USB charger. But anyways, let's unbox the phone. Oh, so nice. So nice. I love this color. And they sent me a black case. That's interesting. I'm not even going to get to see the color of the phone because the case is going to cover it up. But I keep cases on all of my phones. My preferred case of choice is either a Spigen or a UAG Urban Armor Gear. So we might be up swapping the case out for that in the future, but we'll see. These are very nice cases, though. Very nice cases. Oh, let's go over the ports real quick. There's the power button, which is like a silver, like reflective. Then we got the up and down. We got our SIM card ejector tool, which we'll need to do that. We have our speakers and microphone, and so you're going to get stereo speaker through the speaker here, and the speaker here. So it's going to be a stereo experience. Now, this is just the unboxing. I can't even go into the phone yet because of an embargo. Fun fact, I believe this is the first time this channel is going to experience an embargo, so I cannot do much. I believe I can power it on, but I can't go into settings or do much of anything at all. So for now, I just want to compare it to the 4XL and the 4A. My wife has the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, and she gets 5G here, and it's around like 200 down. So I have been a little bit jealous of her 5G, and I've been wanting to experience 5G. So here we go. It's like almost exactly the same size as the 4A. Oh my. Except you do get that ultra wide camera. Let's go. Almost the same exact size in every way. But the 4A or the 4XL, oh man, I love this. Love this screen size right here. A little sad that the Pixel 5 is smaller, but that fingerprint sensor means everything to me. So, and this is such a beautiful phone. I absolutely love the 4XL. Love it. Love it. If it wasn't for freaking face masks, I would so use it over the 4A, but anyways. I'm like so excited I can't even get it in the damn hole. Having trouble finding it. All right, here we go. Now, I'm a big fan of my cases still looking really nice and perfect years later. So I do use cases even though they kind of take away from... I mean, look at this. This phone doesn't look nearly as nice. Let's go ahead and throw this case on it, see what it looks like with the case on it. And there we go. That looks pretty good. Except I do light green. It's one of my preferred colors. All right, before we make this video longer, before we do anything else, this isn't brand new. I can do this. Oh, so excited. This won't be the review. In fact, depending on how many of you reach out to me on my Instagram and my Twitter and ask for a review of these little earphones, this will just be the unboxing. Oh, yeah. So this has reverse wireless charging. So if this case supports wireless charging, you can put it on the back of your Pixel 5 and top up your earphones. So if your battery is full on your phone, but your earphones are dead, you can charge your freaking earphones with your phone. I've never had a phone that does that. That's super exciting to me. It's like a little egg, man. It's like if you were going Easter egg hunting and you saw this on the ground and you were we're trying to collect as many eggs as you could, you wouldn't even notice right away that it's not. There you go. Little light. That's flashing. We've got different size tips for people with different size ears. Oh, and a cable. You would not even know that was in there. Google. Dude, someone's going to pick this box up and go, yep, nope, nothing else is in there. There's so is a cable right there. All right, little things. Look at that. I'm going to give these a try. I'm not going to lie. I mean, I have an iPhone and AirPods, so very interesting. So I'm actually pretty bad at misplacing things. So I can see the little light barely through there, so that's all that matters to me. But this is my little tile, so if I misplace my AirPods, I can find them. But all I wanted to do was just compare the AirPods. And yeah, they're almost the same. I'm a huge fan of the old, you 90s kids out there, you remember those Walkmans and the Sony earbuds that came with them? The little, the ones, these are really old and I've just found these, so I need to replace they're kind of dirty too. Would not be sticking those in my ear. Anyways, sorry they're so gross. Just wanted to use them as an example. This is the earphones I like, where they don't, you can still hear people talking and they don't feel like they're, take your fingers, stick them in your ears and talk. And it's you feel like you're, I don't know if these are going to be like that. That's why I'm a huge fan of earphones like these. That I don't have to I don't feel like I'm working in a factory and curling up earphones and jamming them far at my ear so I can't hear anything. I don't know how these are going to be. So I'm going to be trying these out. And if these are good, then I could go ahead and put these away because I love my Pixel. I love Android. I prefer Android. But I'm going to give these a shot, especially since they got the feature, like if someone's talking in a different language, like you're watching a movie, or you've got some coworkers that don't speak your language, and you want to know what they're saying. It's got some really, really cool features, man. So I definitely want to give these a shot. And if they are comfortable and I can wear them for long periods of time, then I will make these my main earphones. If Google would make a freaking Pixel watch, I would use that over an Apple Watch. 100%. No questions asked. Google, make a freaking Pixel watch. Now. You've got someone anxiously waiting for you to release it, and I would so wear it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please. Again, comments might be enabled in the future, but they haven't been for a long time. It's not something I disable. It's something YouTube disabled. So reach me on Twitter or Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I will be back with a review of this phone when I'm allowed to post the review. And if I don't get enough people requesting a review of this, I will go ahead and talk about these when I do the review of this. Because I'll be using these two things together every single day if these things are comfortable and I like them. All my social media links are in the description below, such as like my Twitch. I want to start streaming video games and see how people react to that and if people like that. Thank you all for watching. This is What Would Josh Do, and I'm out.